Hello friends, so today we are going to learn about how to draw lines on images in PHP. So let us start with. So first thing that we are going to do is that again use the function image create. Now here say suppose I will take one variable $im equals to I will be using the image create function and within it I will pass the parameters width and height. So say suppose I am interested in creating a blank image of size 300 by 200 size, then I will put here 300 comma 200 and close the bracket. And if for some reasons PHP fails to initialize the graphics, then I want it to display the error message. So I will write here or die, and within the die I will write this string cannot initialize graphics. Now next thing that I am going to do is that I am going to allocate a color to this blank image. So I'll take one variable $back underscore color and say suppose I'm interested in creating the yellow background. So I'll write here equals to image color allocate, and within the bracket I will first give the image source variable $im comma. For red parameter I will write here 255. For green parameter I will write here 255 comma and 120. So this will generate the yellow background color. Now give here semicolon. Then say suppose on this particular image of yellow color I want to draw the two lines of color red and blue. So I will again create two variables. $red is equals to I will assign the color here 255 comma 0 and blue. For that I will just assign 0 255. So in all I have created three colors. So first yellow, it will be used as the background color. Then on top of that I may use either the red color or blue color line. Now this was the background that is required for creating the blank image and its color. Now in this tutorial we are going to learn how to create the lines on this particular image. So for that I am going to use one function called as image line. Now the basic purpose of this function is to draw a line. So here it takes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 parameters. So let me explain you all these parameters one by one. So first parameter is the image resource variable. Then next is the x1 and y1 coordinate. Second is the x2, y2 coordinate. And final is the color. So let us, for example, suppose I am interested in creating a red color line whose x1 y1 coordinates are 5 5 and x2 y2 coordinates are 195 and 5. So how I am going to write this function? So I will just write here image line. Inside the bracket first I will give the image resource variable $im comma 5 comma 5 comma 195 comma 5 comma $red and close the bracket. Give here semicolon, and after this image line, so let us use the image png function to save this file to the hard disk. So again I will be using the image png function. Inside it first parameter I will give the image resource $im comma. Now say suppose I want to save this image with the name line image.png and close the quotation and save this, and the last line of this particular PHP file should be as usual our image destroy function, which frees the any memory associated with this image and inside it pass the parameter $im and close this bracket and semicolon. And finally, to display this particular image, write here echo, and inside the bracket, to display this image, write here echo within double quotation, use the img tag, use the src attribute, and give here the same name as I have given in the image png function. So I will write here line image.png, close the double quotation and save this file. So say suppose I'll save this file with the name lineimage.php. Then I'll go to the web browser to check the output. So see here, you can visualize that the red color line has been drawn. Now let us again take another example where I am interested in drawing the blue color line. So again here, after this first image line, let me write one more time image line, and here as usual first parameter will be the $im, comma. Now note here, I am now going to change the x2 y2 coordinates of this line. So I'll write here 5 comma 5 comma 195 comma 195, and now this time I want the color of this line to be the blue color. So here I will write $blue. Now let us again check the output. So first save this whatever changes we have done, and again go to web browser and run this file again. So here in the output you can clearly see now the blue color line image has been drawn. So this is how we can draw the lines on an image in PHP using the function image line. In the next tutorial, we will learn how to draw rectangles on image.